In question number 4, NCERT Exemplar, it says that if the complement of an angle is 79, then what will be? Then the angle will be what? Complement is what? Two angles whose sum is 90 degrees. So we can easily choose a combination here. So 79 plus 10, clearly it cannot be 180 degree. 79 plus 79 is again not 90 degree, and 79 plus 101 is also not 90 degrees. So it has to be this one, right? So we just have to choose an angle here which makes an whose combination with 79 should give you 90 degree, right? Because if an two angles whose sum is 90 degree are called complementary angles. Moving to the next question, it says the angles which are both supplementary and vertically opposite angles. So let's say vertically opposite angles, as we know that this angle and this angles form vertically opposite angle. The other pair is this and this. Whenever two lines intersect, they form two pairs of vertically opposite angle. But they are not only vertically, but they are supplementary as well. So you know that vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal, and if they are supplementary, each has to be 90. It can be proved other way also. Consider the two vertically opposite angles be x. As you know, these vertically opposite angles are equal. So I can say x, this as x, then this also must be x. As we know that their sum is 180 degree, both, right? Supplementary. That means their sum is 180 degree. So that means 2 times x is equal to 180 degree. Or this implies x will be 180 by 2, that is 90 degree. So in this case, this is the correct answer. In the next question, it says that the angles which make a linear pair with 61 degree. What a linear pair, right? You know that, say this being a straight line, and consider this to be another ray. Now, two angles are said to be forming a linear pair if they are adjacent as well as their sum is 180 degree. So one of them is given here as 61 degrees. So consider this to be 61 degree, and there is the other angle is missing here. That means this angle is missing here. So we can assume this to be x. So clearly x plus 61 is equal to 180 degree. So that means x is equal to 180 minus 61. So that will be 180 minus 61 should give you how much? 119 degree. So this is the correct answer, 119 degree. Because it's forming a linear pair, and two angles are forms linear pair if their sum is 180 degree. One is mentioned at 61, so other has to be 119 degree. Here in this question, we have to find what kind of angles are these. Right, just read this much. The angles this and this. Right, one angle is x and the other is 90 minus x. And we have to find what kind of angles are these: supplementary, complementary, vertically opposite angles, and making a linear pair. So in such a situation, we generally add these two angles. When we add these two angles, say this is x and the other is 90 degree minus x. As you can see that x minus x is 0, or you can cancel it. What do we get here? 90 degree. So if the sum of two angle is 90 degree, it forms a complementary angle. So these are complementary angles. Very similar question. Here we have to find again what kind of angles are these. So here too we can add these two angles. So one is x minus 10, the other is 90 minus x. So let's add these two angles. When we add, this is x minus 10 plus 190 minus x. Clearly these x and minus x get cancelled. So this is minus 10 plus 190 will give you 180 degree. As you know that sum of two angle, if it is 180 degree, they are called supplementary angles. This is the correct option. In the next question, as you can see in this figure, we are given some rays drawn here, and what you should know here that the sum of all angles around the point is 360 degree. This is a complete angle. So let's add these angles. X plus 64 plus 46 plus 110. So this is 100. 100 is equal to 360 degree. So this is X. The sum of this is how much? 110. So this is 110 plus 100. That is 210. So this is 210. I added these three. It is giving you 210. Is equal to 360 degrees. So now we can transpose 210 on the other side. So it is 360 minus 210. So X is equal to 360 minus 210 will give you as 150 degree. So therefore 150 degree. This is the correct option. This is correct option here, 150 degree.